Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You already have the basics, a recent prescription and proper lighting. Now start the process with a 20-minute focus session. This first step trains clarity. Sit 50 to 70 centimeters from your screen and angle your gaze about 20 degrees downward to reduce strain. Begin with 5 minutes of 20/20 focus drills, alternate near and far targets every 30 seconds. Once done, make sure to blink deliberately for 1 minute to rehydrate the surface and settle your focus before progressing. You move into the complex middle work by combining 3 core exercises that rebuild clarity. First, alternate near and far focus. 30 seconds on a close object, 30 seconds on a distant object. Repeat for 10 rounds to retrain accommodation. Then do smooth pursuit and saccade drills for 5 minutes each to enhance tracking and quick refocusing. Finally, add contrast and color discrimination tasks for 3 to 5 minutes to refine detail perception. As you progress, increase tempo slowly and monitor comfort. Complete the session with a cool-down to stabilize gains. Spend 5 minutes in relaxed gaze and gentle circular eyelid massages to improve tear distribution. Record what changed, clarity, fatigue, or any discomfort, and log session duration so you can adjust intensity. If you feel persistent blurring beyond 24 hours, sudden pain, flashes, or significant vision loss, stop exercises immediately and consult a professional. One key tip: if exercises increase strain, reduce
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.